Hey you guys, Allee-Sutton here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching Alleyways. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. I've got some special discount codes in the comment section down below, so make sure to check that out. Let's get started. Okay, so to start out, I'm going to use foundation that I've mentioned in other videos, Y5 by The Perfect Face. I have a discount for all Perfect Face. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below and use the code ALLEEH at checkout. I'll have that down below the video, so use it if I think it's 10% discount. Next, I am moving on to concealer. I use Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral. Next, I move on to powder, and I use the Perfect Face Picture Perfect powder in Almond Tart Y8. Next, I move on to my contour. I use Hoola bronzing powder. Next, I'm going to put on some blush, and I literally found this blush in an old bag in my closet. It's Maybelline Mineral Powder Naturally Luminous Blush, and the color is Gentle Pink. And I just like to have the slightest touch of color right there. Now moving on to highlight, I'm still using the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia, and I'll show you what my palette looks like. You can see I really love the color Eclipse and Lyra, and Luna. I like to use the Luna color right on the tip of my nose and down in a straight line, and then on the top of my lips, right on my Cupid's bow. And then I'll use the Eclipse right on my cheeks. Okay, moving on to eyes. This is what makes today's look really different. Last year I was doing a lot of purples and pinks, and this year I've kind of shifted into more natural, neutral eyes. I'm using the Smashbox Shape Matters palette, and for my whole lid I use this color. I obviously need more of it, the color Wheat, and so I'm just going to cover my entire lid with that. Next, I start carving out just right here underneath my brow with the Perfect Face Vanilla eyeshadow. Next, I start contouring my lid. I use the Modern Renaissance palette, and I begin my crease with a mixture of raw sienna and burnt orange. Now I like to start deepening my crease, and I've lately been using this MAC eyeshadow. Hope you guys can see that. Do makeup tutorials, they said. It will be fun, they said. Oh no. Okay, this MAC eyeshadow, which my camera just refuses to focus on. It is called Unreliable. I'm just joking. To deepen my crease, I use Amorous Alloy from MAC. And I just work it in with a little bit of a stiffer type brush. So for every day, I might stop right here, but for nighttime or for a more dramatic look, I'll take a small angled brush and either choose Cypress Umber right here or Warm Taupe right here to just even make that crease pop just a little more. Today I'm gonna just do a light mixture of both. The next thing I want to do is bring back some brightness in the eyes. So right in the center of my lid, I use Primavera, this really lovely gold shimmery kind of eyeshadow right here. And I literally just apply it with my finger. Probably making a ton of people shudder right now. Like that. And then I use Vanilla eyeshadow from Maybelline, which I probably had for 5 or more years, make the brow bone pop and my inner corner. I'm gonna move on to brows because I'm feeling a little brow bald after all this colors on my eyes. Lately I've been using the Boutique like $2 pencil from Sally's in the color taupe to do my brows. Now I'm going to move on to liner. I'm still using the Stila Stay All Day liner in Intense Black. Still doing the same technique as the magenta eye makeup video. And that's how I've been doing this look. I'm going to go put on some mascara, some Ardell Demi Wispy lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my lashes on. I did end up using some Lily lashes in the style Miami that I just got in the mail and a little nude lipstick from NYX. And that's the look. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for continuing to be so kind and coming back to my channel, for all the nice comments. You guys just mean so much to me. So thank you as always. If you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!